15 hertz.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah,
well,
my door's cracking in the back.
Oh no. I mean, hey, if you play 15 or whatever you want to play, man. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Don't judge me on the paint. We threw it together for a show.
Okay. What's this got to do with it?
It's all asset. Look at the headliner.
Whoa. Well, that's pretty cool.
It's all airbrushed by an artist in Atlanta.
No way.
Yeah.
That's
I was wood lining my roof and I'm filling everything with foam. And I was like, well, might as well get it airbrushed or something cool. You know?
That's a good idea.
Something different, you know.
I like that. Awesome. Yeah, I'll get a demo, man.
All right.
Yeah. Well, you got back seats too. You want to get in?
You can hop in too if you want. Royal hitters.
Let's do it. Thank you, sir. So what's your name and what else in here real quick?
My name's Casey Kavark. I'm from Atlanta.
Okay.
We got 4 Resilient Sound Platinum 15s. I've got this is thrown together for the end of the year show. So I got 2 Scar SK 3500s.
Yep.
DH5 lithium.
All right. Nice. What are you wired to?
Half ohm each.
Half ohm. Yep.
Yeah. What do you want, hard or you want low?
What's the loudest at peak? Play peak music. Stuff that's near your peak. I like that.
All right.
So whatever you peak at or tune towards, something you know that's loud.
All right, let's see.
You said you play pretty good lows.
Yeah, it hits 15 hertz.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah,
well,
my door's cracking in the back.
Oh no. I mean, hey, if you play 15 or whatever you want to play, man.
Let's see.
I've never heard 15 hertz no wall though. That's pretty crazy.
Oh, I'll do it then.
Okay.
I'll do it.
You're different for my ears for that. All right.
Yeah, save your ears a little bit.
I've heard some stuff. What is that tuned to then?
28 hertz.
Man.
So the box is tuned 28 hertz. It peaks around 38. Does like a 56.
Oh wow.
So it's pretty good for a no wall. But so we're doing. This is coming out this winter. We're doing 6 of these 15s on a Crescendo 17K.
Oh wow.
On a 6-order wall.
Yeah, that's gonna be different, but that's impressive. Thank you, man.
Appreciate it.
Yes, sir. What was your name?
Casey.
Casey. Jacob.
Yes, sir. Good to meet you. Jacob.
Yes, sir. You too, man. I'm gonna go look under the hood real quick.
Huh?
Thank you.
Oh, I didn't much look at it.
Nothing? Wow.
Hold on. Get in. Let me get in. You didn't expect that from no, did you?
What is that tuned to then?
28 hertz.
Man.
So the box is tuned 28 hertz. It peaks around 38. Does like a 56.
Oh wow.
So it's pretty good for an O-wall. But so we're doing. This is coming out this winter. We're doing 6 of these 15s on the Crescendo 17K.
Oh wow.
On a 6-order wall.
Yeah, that's gonna be different, but that's impressive. I thank you, man.
Appreciate it.
Yes,
man.
sir. What was your name?
Casey.
Casey. Jacob.
Yes, sir. Good to meet you, Jacob.
Yes, sir. You too, man. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you, channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you, everybody, for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.